Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for all of you who have been subscribing lately. I know I haven't been posting videos lately, but I plan to change that like right now. What I want to do right now is record the sounds of my exhaust from inside the car. I know I have recorded video of the exhaust from outside and how it sounds from outside, but I want to record it from inside to give you guys an idea of what it sounds like. I have two microphones in here. One is just going to be my phone, and one is actually this Zoom H4n, which is a good audio mic. I don't have like a dead cat or any kind of thing to go over it right now, so hopefully it sounds okay. But otherwise, we have the mic on the phone as well, and I'm gonna record first with the silencer put in, and then I'm gonna take the silencer off just so you can see the differences. To remind you guys what exhaust I have the JDL unequal length Catless header. We got an over pipe, Catless front pipe, and I have a full titanium exhaust by Buddy Club. So this exhaust is like super loud without the silencer, so that's why I normally drive with the silencer on when I'm just kind of dailying it, going to work and everything. But let's just see what it sounds like in the car without the silencer and with the silencer. So I have the Zoom right now down here by the cup holder. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car and see how that sounds, and then I'm gonna take it on the highway. As you can tell, it's already been warmed up, so it wasn't really loud just starting it up. So let's go ahead and hit the road. Right now I'm just in the Walmart parking lot, so about to get on the highway in just a second. Second gear 5,000. Third gear 5,000. And fourth gear right now going 55. Merging on the highway, I'm about 4,000 RPM right now in fifth gear, doing 70. It's kind of loud, but now I'll go ahead and shift to sixth. The windows are up right now, the radio's off, the AC heater is off. Alright, I got off the highway. I'm going to get back on and do another quick run through the gears up to about 75. And then I'll pull out, I'll get out of the highway, take out the silencer, and do it over again. Turn the Zoom on. I really don't know if this is working right now, so Zoom is on. Let's get back on the highway. So right now I don't know if I'll be able to get on the highway as fast as I want to, because there's two lanes merging into one, and this on-ramp people are usually slow getting on there. Yeah, it's already starting off slow. Like, people, this is an on-ramp. About 75. You can still have a conversation, you can still hear the other person. This is usually how I have it when I'm going on a road trip. Just a silencer in, definitely not quiet like a Lexus or something, but it works. So I'm just getting off the highway now, and I'll find a place to pull in, take my silencer out, and then I'll do it over again. So the best time to take out your silencer is probably not when you've just been driving and it's super hot, but it was fine. You just pull it out with the vice grip and it'll come out. Just you gotta pull it out real quickly and it comes out. I haven't driven without a silencer in several months now, so kind of excited to hear how it sounds without it. All right, let's turn on the zoom and get this going, and then we'll get on the highway. On-ramps again. Hopefully I'll have enough room to get it accelerating quick enough. Definitely a lot louder, a little bit of a drone. I mean, for people who aren't into loud exhausts, it definitely would bother you. It does get annoying if you're on a long road trip, so that's why I use the silencer on longer trips. Alright, I'm gonna get off the highway. If I'm on this exhaust and I'm passing a cop, usually I'll just get off the throttle. I've never been in trouble for having a loud exhaust, never been pulled over for having a loud exhaust, so not really too worried about that. But I usually just get off the throttle if I have the silencer out and there's a police officer nearby. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below if you want more content like this regarding the FRS and the 88 Supra. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.